Making an update video is not something I usually do, but the update for the Waves Clarity VX and VX Pro is pretty substantial, and I consider it one of the best plugins of 2022. Waves Clarity VX and the Pro version got two major updates. First of all, Apple Silicon native compatibility, which means Clarity will run on M1 and M2 without the need to run the plugin via Rosetta. So instead of barely being able to run 4 instances before Cubase started to act up on Apple M1, after this update I could get up to 364 instances before I stopped testing out of boredom. That update seems very huge, so I don't know if it's fully correct, but you can absolutely load up a hell of a lot of Clarity instances on Mac M1 and M2 computers. And second, this is for every user of Clarity. There's now a broad eco neural network available, next to the two existing neural networks. This one promises lower CPU usage, which is welcomed since the existing two algorithms are very CPU hungry, and you should be able to run 2 to 3 times as many instances of Clarity. And also get faster offline bounces and renders, which is great for post-production when you need a lot of instances and offline renders. In Cubase on a few years old PC with a buffer of 1024 samples, I could load up about 20 instances with the eco setting when I'm not running OBS for screen grabs. That computer crapped out with 7 instances with the Broad 1 and Broad 2 settings, so the eco network is a huge improvement on that front. But how does this eco network perform in comparison to the existing two? Let's find out, but first make sure you subscribe to this channel to stay up to date on the latest new cool plugins. Here's the first test with Extractor Hood Noise during the sponsored segment of this video. Are you a musician looking to get your music onto popular streaming platforms like Spotify and Apple Music? Look no further than DistroKid. With its easy-to-use platform and affordable pricing, DistroKid makes it simple for artists to get their music out there. Plus, you keep 100% of the royalties you earn with your streams. Why not give it a try and see for yourself why so many artists are choosing DistroKid to distribute your music? Sign up today and start sharing your music with the world. And on top of that, get 7% off of your first year by using my link in the description of this video. Now let's add another test by adding some paper rustle over my voice and see how it can be removed. Now let's add another test by adding some paper rustle over my voice and see how it can be removed. Now let's add another test by adding some paper rustle over my voice and see how it can be removed. Now let's add another test by adding some paper rustle over my voice and see how it can be removed. So in conclusion, the new eco setting will allow you to have a lot more instances in your project at the cost of slightly less removing noise performance. But not by much. If you need the most powerful denoising on the worst audio, Broad 1 and Broad 2 remain the best options. My in-depth review of the Waves Clarity VX and Pro can be found in the video which is displayed on screen and linked in the description below.